Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the adapter's wattage and connector types so you match power needs. This prevents undervoltage or damage. Once done, power down the system, unplug mains, and ground yourself with a strap. Next, remove the case side panel and position the power supply so connectors are accessible. Identify and separate the GPU cable set, label them if multiple. Make sure to keep screws and adapters organized in a container, and prepare cable routing paths before any plug insertion. You now align the adapter pins with the GPU or power supply port. Take a deliberate, straight approach so pins seat evenly. If you're converting legacy cables to a new 12 VHPWR, confirm the adapter's orientation and listen for the click or engage the retention latch. Once connected, secure any external adapter clip or screw and route cables behind the tray to maintain airflow. Finally, tidy with ties so nothing contacts fans. This keeps temperatures down and reduces strain on connectors. You should power on and watch for immediate signs: PSU LED, fan spin, post beeps, and GPU display output. Once the system boots, run a GPU utility to confirm the card reports expected power delivery and stable volt rails. This proves the adapter is functioning under load. If the card doesn't initialize or you see artifacts, power down immediately. Troubleshoot by reseating connectors, swapping to another compatible cable, and confirming your PSU supports the GPU's peak wattage. This single step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.